What's up, guys? Good morning. We're here at Birmingham Supercross for the first year at this race. So first year for me anyways, racing. So I'm excited for this new venue. I don't know what the dirt's going to be like, and we had a whole bunch of rain. So yeah, I'm excited. Put some good results in tonight and see what we can do. I feel like even when this water blows off, it's not going to be that like bottomless.
No, I think it's going to be fun.
This is throwing me off, no whoops. So I'm like, where are we on the track?
I know the double through, but easy.
Yeah.
Onto this route. Look how easy.
That's my line.
And look how much drier it's gonna be, you know?
Oh yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah.
This is gonna be mud.
You think you guys are gonna 4 from that one?
I don't know. Only if you do it.
All right.
I can't believe you're doing this with the track walk going on. It just doesn't seem like a good idea. I think if you did go like 3 on off, you go 3, 2, 2. Because 3-1 doesn't make 3-1 doesn't make too much sense. Why are they doing this? What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Might go 2-2.
You gonna do it?
We'll do what?
This one.
What do you mean?
3 on off quad.
I don't think you're 3 on from the turn.
Yeah, I think so. Top. The right side is.
A little bit.
There's another option. You can go single, 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 single. This might not make the night show.
So it's our first time out here at Birmingham. There was a ton of rain yesterday on Friday, and I think even the days before, but honestly the track looks really good. It's a little muddy right now on the start straight, but I think it's going to dry out. We're not supposed to see any more rain, so it's looking good overall for what was thrown at us. And the long start straight, I would say the longest that we've had of the season. So usually that works out to where you can kind of get the start from wherever. So it's pretty cool, and I'm usually better at the longer start, so I'm looking forward to it.
Day has been pretty smooth so far, nothing too wild yet, and they canceled free practice, so that was nice. I only had to wash the bike twice. I kind of like that. The riders probably wish they had more track time, but that's their problem, not mine. So only had to wash the bike twice. I think the night show will be good racing because the track is coming around a little bit. I think Cooper finished 5th overall in qualifying, I believe, which means he'll be heat number 2, and which top 5 on the board, not bad. So should be pretty good.
Yeah, so far I feel like the day's gone really good. You know, no free practice straight into 2 qualifying practices, but all 3 guys are riding good. Qualifying's good. Everybody's happy. So going to the main, get some good starts, and see what we can do.
The rain has stopped, the sun is out, the track's coming together, the boys are ripping, so I think tonight's going to be a really good night for us. The fans came out in full effect, the pits here, we got our own little corner here, and we had the people packed in here all day for the autograph line, and they're still here, just watching the boys do some work, get ready for the main event. So we got opening ceremonies coming up, and hopefully some more podiums and wins.
It's kind of cool seeing the track actually shape up, and the suspension, like, it's just normal Supercross. So we're not far off, you know, we're just making small changes here and there. Track's turning out good, the boys are feeling good, we're killing it.
Track's pretty good. First time out there is good. Actually, not as muddy as I thought. Some spots, some soft spots and some slick spots, but I think it'll shape up to be good tonight, so I'm excited.
And a trio of Yamahas. Oh no! And tangled up is Deegan, and is that the 43 of Havaker down 2?
Got a good start. The long starts favor us pretty good, and just road clean laps. We've got a couple rhythms that we need to nail for the main to be in contention, but other than that, speed's really good.
From the moment we went out for the first qualifier, sitting on the grate, he tells me, dude, bike feels good, everything feels perfect, I'm feeling good, let's go.
All right, came out, there's a lot of carnage in the heat, got through that clean third, and then the main, I had the whole shot. I mean, I just went a little wide, and then I got bumped up the track in the next turn, which I'm kind of upset about, but with racing, I don't know, I was in 15, 20, the same story the last 3 weekends. I can't get out there, put myself in a good spot, but we were digging, coming through. I was behind Hayden, and we just kept tractoring through the pack, and I think we made it to 8th or 7th, so. Yeah, it's I'm happy, really happy with the way I rode. Just didn't start, and it'll show for sure.
Feels really good. I finally got off the gate. Decent. I think I was maybe second or third. I don't remember. But yeah, I rode in third for I think a little bit over the half a race.
Let's give it up for
Kenny and Chase were putting a lot of pressure on me, and I was just trying to knock off consistent laps. I think I made a couple mistakes, and Kenny got around me straight up, and then I made a mistake, and Chase got around me. He made a mistake, got him back.
Arlington made that mistake, but
Kind of getting younger with Chase for the last half, and yeah, came out 5th.
Amazing ride from
me,
from top to bottom.
Really close to the podium, so just really happy to get off the gate.
Seconds at the end, and
I'm trending upwards.
Justin Cooper
I think
his spot there up to 5th. That's his best finish.
I've been riding good the whole
That was
season.
huge. A top 5 finish for Justin Cooper. He's been
The starts have been a struggle for me, and just trying to get the power delivery, the clutch release, everything right. It's been hard for me, but I'm working with the team, with the changes and stuff, working on it, and got out of the gate really good there with a banged up rut. So happy with that, and yeah, gonna move into next weekend. Hopefully we can get on the box.
Did you hit her? I smoked her. She went face first, and I fucking already. She went right for Jet, left for me. I smoked her.
He hit her.
She went right, and she saw you go, and she left.
Dude, I came around, and I just see all the boards. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Good night. Good night. Great nights is when you win. But that was a good night. Rode well the whole race, and only made a couple little mistakes, and honestly rode I thought a really good race. So it's nice to see the riding being good. The bike looked good, and he's pretty happy. So
Yeah, Birmingham P2. It was a great overall night. Had that incident in the heat and kind of banged up my thumb, so it was good to to get out there out front, some clean laps, and rode good. Made some mistakes at the beginning and let Jet get that gap, but hung in there tough. He's riding well, so it was really good to get in the mix again, get on the podium. 2 seconds between us at the end is not exactly what you want, but overall we'll take it, and like I said, I know what I need to work on to get that big W.
Yeah, honestly, it was a great race. We kept Jet right there in our sights the whole time. It was a tough track to be faster than somebody else on. You had to really hit all the rhythm lanes, and if you make one mistake, it'll cost you. But Cooper rode good. Justin Cooper, an incredible ride. Could have been on the podium, but still had his career best. And we'll get Eli, get him back going for the next week.